Children, in this video we are going to discuss mean of group data. So one example problem is there. So example 1, find the median of the following group data. So this is group data. These are the class intervals or marks class intervals, and this is frequency, number of students, frequency. Okay, here what are the class intervals? 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100. These are the class intervals, and frequency is 5, 3, 7, 3, 3, 4, 7, 9, 7, 8. So 0 to 10, 5 students, and marks obtained 10 to 20 are 3 students, 20 to 30 4 students, 30 to 43, 40 to 53, 50 to 64, 60 to 77, 70 to 89, 80 to 97, 90 to 100, 8 members, 8 students. So this is the classified data. So we have to find the median of the following this the marks obtained by the student who is in the middle among these students. So that we have to find. So how to do? So to answer this question, first rearrange this data. Okay, we rearrange this data. Marks, number of students. So this is class interval, and this is frequency. So class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100. So this is the data which is we are rearranging. So this frequency of this class interval is 5, and this class interval 3, and the frequency of this class interval is 4, and this one is 3, and this one is also 3, and frequency of this class interval is 4 again, and frequency of this class interval is 7, frequency of this class interval is 9, and this is 7, and lastly it is 8. So this is the frequency. Okay, to find the median of the group data, we have a formula. So what is that? That is L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. So this is the formula to find the median of the group data. So what is L? L is lower boundary of median class, and this n is sum of all frequencies or sum of all observations, okay, and Cf, cumulative frequency. Cf means cumulative frequency, and what is F? Frequency of median class, and h is length of the median class. So we going to find what is L, N, Cf, F and H from this table. Okay, first to find the cumulative frequency of this one, cumulative frequency, that is Cf. Okay, cumulative frequency of this data. So first how to find, we find less than cumulative frequency. So here 5, this is 5 only, and 5 plus 3, if you add 3 to this, you will get 5 plus 3 how much? 8, and 8 plus this 4, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 3, 18, 18 plus 4, 22, 22 plus 7, how much? 29, 29 plus 9, 38, 38 plus 7, 45, 45 plus 8, 53. So this is the cumulative frequency. Okay, so sum of frequencies is equal to n, and this n is if we add all these frequencies, how much? 5 plus 3 8, plus 4 12, plus 3 15, plus 3 18, plus 4 22, plus 7 29, plus 9 38, plus 7 45, plus 8 53. So sum of all frequency is 53. So number of observations n is equal to 53. Now n is okay. Now we have to find L, F, CF and H. So here number of observations are 53, and among these 53 students, who is the middle? If you divide this n by 2, we get 53 by 2 is equal to 26.5. That means among these 53 students, 27th student is the middle student. To this middle student, 27th student, we have 26 students left side. That means the students who got less marks than this 27th student, and again 26 students who are right side who got more than marks. So 27th student, if we arrange these students according to the increasing order, among these students, 53 students, 27th student is the middle student. To this 27th student, we have 26 students left side and 26 students right side. Okay, so the median is the value of the marks obtained by the 27th student. So among this cumulative frequency, where will be the 27th student? Okay, so here first 22 students, and here first 29 students. So among these 29 students, we will have 27th students. So therefore this is the median class. This is the median class. Okay, so therefore this is frequency of median class, and this is lower boundary of median class. So the average of 60 and this 60 is L, median of lower boundary of median. And what is the CF, cumulative frequency? This is cumulative frequency. Okay, this is cumulative frequency, and this CF, this 22 is cumulative frequency. 29 is not cumulative, but we should not take this 29, we have to take 22, and this 22 is cumulative frequency preceding the median class. 22 is cumulative frequency of preceding median class. Okay, now we have to find again L. we completed L, CF and N, and we have to find H. What is H? Length of the median class. 60 and 70 are lower and upper boundaries. So what is the length? 10. If you find the difference between these two values, or these two values, or these two values, or these two values, you will get 10. So length of the class. So here N is equal to 53, CF is equal to 22, F is equal to 7, L is equal to 60 plus 60 by 2 is equal to 60, and H is equal to length of the median class, that is 10 we got. So substitute these values in this formula, you will get the median of the group data. So L is 60 plus N by 2. So N is 53 by 2 minus CF, cumulative frequency proceeding the median class. So this is the this is the median class. Proceeding to this median class is this one, and to this class 22 is the cumulative frequency. Okay, CF is 22, okay, by F is 7 into H, length of the class. So difference between 60 and 70 is 10, okay, which is equal to 60 plus this is 26.5 minus 22 by 7 into 10, which is equal to 60 plus if you the difference between 26.5 and 22 is 4.5 by 7 into 10, okay, which is equal to 60 plus 45 by 7. Divide this 45 by 7, how much it is? If we divide 45 by 7, we will get, so this value is 6.42. So 60 plus 6.42, which is equal to 66.42. So this is the median of this group of data. Okay. So here see this problem, example 2. If the median of 60 observations given below is 28.5, find the values of x and y. If the median of the 60 observations given below is 28.5, so the median is 28.5. Find the values of x and y. So this is the this is the classified data, group data. So class intervals, frequency 0 to 10, 5 is the frequency, 10 to 20, x is the frequency, 20 to 30, 20 frequency, 30 to 40, 15, 40 to 50, y frequency, and 50 to 60, 5. So this is the frequency and the class intervals, and it is group data. To this group data, we have to find x and y. If number of observation is 60 and median is 28.5. For this data, we have to find x and y. So rearrange the data, class intervals, frequency. And we have to, so this is the problem of median, therefore we have to find cumulative frequency also. Zero to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60. This frequency is 5, this frequency is x, and this frequency is 20, and this is 15, and this frequency is y, and this is 5. So sum of the frequency is how much? 60 observations are there. So sum of all these is 60. But if you add all these, how much it is? If you add all these, how much it is? 5 plus x, 5x plus 20, 25 plus x plus 15, 40 plus x and plus y, 40 plus x plus y plus 5. So 45 plus x plus y. This is the sum of the frequency. So according to the problem, 60 observations. Therefore sum of all these frequencies is 60, and also it is equal to 45 plus x plus y. Okay, from this 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. So therefore x plus y is equal to 60 minus 45, and x plus y is equal to how much? It is 15. So x plus 5 is equal to 15. This is equation 1. Okay. So now find the cumulative frequency. 5 plus x, 5 plus x and plus 25 x and plus 15, 40 plus x plus y. So 40 plus x plus y and plus 5, 45 plus x plus y. So this is the cumulative frequency. And here the median is 28.5. The median of 60 observations given below is 28.5. So the median is 28.5. So among these class intervals, 28.5 will be in between 20 and 30. So this 28.5 is in between 20 and 30. So therefore it is the median class. This is the median class. So therefore L is average of these two values, 20 plus 20 by 2. Okay. And the frequency f is this one, and cumulative frequency proceeding the median class is this one, 5 plus x. Okay. So here L is equal to 20 plus 20 by 2 is equal to 20, and f frequency of median class is 20, and cumulative frequency proceeding the median class is this one. This is the median class, and proceeding to this median class is this one, and to this it is the cumulative frequency. So CF is 5 plus x. Okay. And what is h? Length of the median class. So 20, 30. So length of this median class is 10. Now median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by f into h. So this is the formula to find the median of group data, and we have median is given, that is 28.5, and L, how much L? 20 plus n, how much n? 60 minus CF, how much CF? 5 plus x by f, how much? Frequency of median class 20 into h, length of the median class, so 10. So 28.5 is equal to 20 plus, so this is 30 minus 5 minus x by 20 into 10. 20 plus this is how much, 25 minus x by 20 into 10. So 10 ones are 10 twos are. If you transpose this 20 to this side, 28.5 minus 20 is equal to 25 minus x by 2, and how much it is, 8.5 is equal to 25 minus x by 2. Again transpose this 2 to this side, you will get how much it is, 17 minus 25, 17 is equal to 25 minus x, and therefore from this how much we get x is equal to 25 minus 17, which is equal to 8. So the value of x is 8. Okay. Again, you know x plus y is equal to 15 and x is equal to 8 plus y is equal to 15. Therefore, y is equal to 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. So therefore, the value of x is equal to 8 and value of y is equal to 7. So this is the answer for this data. Okay.